I just realized something that might save you a lot of time. It also made me realize why so many people stay broke, so I decided to make this video in the hope that it inspires someone and helps them chase their dreams. A few days ago, I was lying in bed, scrolling through Instagram Reels, when suddenly a video popped up on my For You page. At first, it was just an old man talking about something that sounded like random things, so I was about to scroll away. But right before I swiped, I heard one familiar word: school. That caught my attention. I went back to the video, thinking he was about to explain how to get better grades or study more efficiently, but as I kept watching, something clicked. The video wasn't about studying at all, it was about the education system, how it works, why some people believe it keeps people trapped in a 9-to-5 lifestyle, and how to think differently about it. Now, that's not the main point of this video. You can look into those ideas and decide for yourself. What really got me thinking was this: if you believe school isn't the path you wanna follow, then what is? A lot of people hear someone say school is a scam and immediately start looking for ways to make money online. They find videos about dropshipping, reselling, trading, content creation, or any other businesses. Then someone sells them a course promising fast results, easy money, and a completely different life in just a few weeks. But here's what they don't tell you. They don't show you the months they spent working in silence. They don't show you the sleepless nights, the mistakes, the failed attempts, the friends they lost, or how many times they wanted to quit. Because if they showed you all of that, selling that dream would be a lot harder. So you buy the course, convinced that success is just around the corner. 1 week passes, nothing. 2 weeks in, still nothing. A month later, you're disappointed because you expected to be making serious money by now. You start thinking the business doesn't work or that it's just a scam. But the truth is that it usually takes much longer than people usually expect. The problem isn't always the business. The problem is expecting results before you've put in enough time. And that's how many people end up in an even worse position. They quit school, jump into a business with unrealistic expectations, fail because they give up too early, and then blame the education system or the person who sold them the course, when in reality the biggest issue was inconsistency. So what's the solution? It's not doing 10 different side hustles at once. It's not simply working harder. It's choosing one thing, committing to it, and sticking with it long enough to become good at it. That might take months, it might even take years. You'll probably miss parties, sacrifice free time, lose sleep, and sometimes even feel lonely. But that's the real price almost nobody talks about. You can't just decide that school isn't for you and expect someone else to hand you a successful business. Whatever path you choose, you'll still have to earn your results. So choose one path, go all in, stay consistent, do the boring work every single day, even when it feels like nothing is happening and when you feel like you're just wasting time. Because most people don't quit because success is impossible. They quit because they expected it to happen much sooner. And sometimes the dream doesn't die because it was impossible. It dies because they gave up too early. So what you have to do after this video is to simply act. Not tomorrow, not the next week, but today. Just act and do it, stay consistent, and then the results will come. And you will realize that the time you put in was worth. So don't give up and stay consistent.